video is going to show you how to share a video in Microsoft Stream. So when you open Microsoft Stream, you will click on My Content and Videos. You might want to check the permission settings of the video by clicking on the edit pencil and checking to see if everyone in your company is able to view this video, because they might have trouble if you share the link with them if this box is not checked. As long as that box is checked, when you on this screen click the three dots and click share, you can copy this link and paste it in your Microsoft Team or somewhere else that you might want people to view the video. You can also customize the start time so you can pick the specific minute and second. You can also share with a specific person or group of people, or you can copy an embed code and put it somewhere that allows embeddable code. But most of the time you'll probably just share the copy link and then you'll paste it somewhere else. And that's how you share a video in Microsoft Stream. Also, I just wanted to point out that not only videos you upload will be here, but also videos that you recorded from your Microsoft Teams video chat. They'll appear here as well.